Hey there, amazing retirees and pre-retirees. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore opportunities to make the most of your retirement years and embrace the freedom and fulfillment that comes with it. In today's video, we're diving into the world of starting an online business during retirement. Whether you're approaching retirement or already enjoying this chapter of life, building an online business can be a game changer for your financial well-being and peace of mind. So, let's jump right in. Supplement retirement savings. One of the major benefits of starting an online business during retirement is the opportunity to supplement your retirement savings. By generating additional income, you can reduce reliance on your children for financial support and gain greater control over your financial future. Having that extra cushion of income provides peace of mind, ensuring you have the resources to cover medical bills, aged care expenses, and unexpected costs that may arise during your retirement years. Maintain independence and financial stability. Starting an online business allows you to maintain your independence and financial stability. Rather than relying solely on retirement savings or pensions, you can create a reliable income stream that gives you the freedom to live life on your own terms. By taking control of your financial future, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have the means to support yourself and pursue your passions without financial constraints. Embrace new opportunities and pursue passions. Building an online business during retirement opens up a world of new opportunities. It's a chance to explore your passions, share your expertise, and contribute to a community or industry you're passionate about. Embracing online entrepreneurship allows you to leave a lasting legacy, maintain a sense of purpose, and continue growing personally and professionally throughout your retirement years. And there you have it, incredible retirees and pre-retirees. Starting an online business during retirement offers you the chance to supplement your savings, maintain independence, and enjoy peace of mind. It's a pathway to financial stability, new opportunities, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content like this. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and remember, your retirement years are filled with endless possibilities. Embrace the opportunities of online business, supplement your savings, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with financial independence. Take care, and until next time, keep embracing the journey of retirement.